Okay, class, hello. Welcome to our online video. Now, I know some of you may be disappointed we aren't at school, and I understand. But this week, teacher Jenna had a really good idea for a fun lesson for the end of the year. So for class today, let's make a greeting card. Let's focus on thank you cards and Happy New Year's. So this was an idea from teacher Jenna, and I think it will be really fun. So let's get started. It's been a difficult year, right? It's been a little difficult for all of us. But let's think of someone who helped us. Who is someone who made your 2020 happier? Can you think of someone? Who made your 2020 better? Your 2020 year? Maybe someone in your family, your friends. Do you know this word, significant others? This is a term that we use for boyfriends and girlfriends. Teachers, other important people. Maybe other school staff, people you see often in your neighborhoods. Who are some people, who is one person who made your 2020 better? Let's think of someone. So today, for that special person that made your year better, let's make a greeting card for them. Number 1, today we will make an e-card to show your appreciation for your special person. Number 2, an e-card is a greeting card you send electronically via email, cell phone, computer, etc., using the internet. Number 3, for homework, you will make an e-card and then send it to your special person. And number 4, I recommend making a thank you card or a Happy New Year's card. So let me show you how to do it. How to make an e-card. Number 1, download the PPT. So I have a PPT of many different card designs. It's in the band. Number 2, choose the design you like and delete all extra slides. So only keep the design that you like. Number 3, edit and personalize the card. We will write the occasion, one-liner, names, and a short message. Number 4, save your card. And finally, number 5, send your card to your special person. So let me explain. So in the PPT, I have so many templates and designs for you to use. Each has a name, occasion, one-liner, and short message. Look at all of the designs. So please go to the PPT and choose which design you like. I hope you find one you like. Then, once you select a design, first you need to write the occasion. The occasion is the holiday or reason you are sending the card. So for example, number 1, you can write thank you. Here are other ways to write thank you. Thanks. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. You can also write for the occasion, Happy New Year's. Remember to use big capital letters for each word in the occasion. These are titles, so they need capital letters. Thank you one-liner examples. Let's say you write a thank you card. You could say number 1, I just wanted to say thanks for everything you've done for me this year. Number 2, you've helped me so much this year. Number 3, I love you. Number 4, I appreciate you. Number 5, thanks for being a bright spot in my year. And so on. So one-liners are short sentences that one-liners are short sentences that quickly send a positive message. One-liners are connected to the occasion. So let's say you decide to make a New Year's card. Then your New Year's one-liner could be, cheers to a better 2021. Let's celebrate the new year together. I hope you have a wonderful new year. Stay safe and have a happy new year. You deserve the best in 2021. And so on. So remember, these are just very short sentences that quickly send a happy, positive message, and they are connected to the occasion. Okay, and then of course you need to write the person's name. Remember number 1. 2 is the person that is receiving the card. From is the person giving the card. So for example, let's say I was writing a card to your class. To English class. From Teacher Hope. So you can fill out the name on your card. Then, short message examples. This is how I recommend. Dear, your special person's name. I just wanted to thank you for helping me this year when I was sad. You made me feel so much better, and I will never forget your help. I'm so happy you are in my life. Love you. Best, your name. So this is just one example of a short message. But know that the short message is where you can write 1 to 3 sentences describing your personal thoughts to your special person. It's like writing a letter. Just remember good punctuation, periods, exclamation marks, commas, and capitalization. So the short message can be very different than my example. Remember, it's like writing a letter to your special person. Here's another example. Dear your special person, I wanted to wish you a happy new year. This year has been difficult for everyone. So I hope we can have a happier 2021 together. Best wishes, cheers, and your name. One more example. Remember, short messages can be very different. Dear, your special person's name. A few months ago, you cheered me up when I was feeling bad. I wanted to tell you thank you. It meant a lot to me. This means you were like touched by it. It felt really special. I appreciate your kindness. Best wishes, your name. So dear is very common, but there are different ways to do your salutation, which is the little few words before you write your name. Best wishes is common. Best, love, thank you. There are different things you can write here. Make it your own. Make the short message personal to you. So, let me show you an example of an e-card. Then it will all make sense. This is my name. This is the person I'm writing to. Dear Stephanie. This is the what? This is the occasion. I'm writing her a thank you card. Thank you. Thank you. This is the one-liner. Remember, the one-liner is a short positive sentence. I'm so lucky to have you as my best friend. So, name, occasion, one-liner. Then on the second card, I wrote my short message. Dear Stephanie, this year we have been far apart, but our hearts were close. Thank you for always talking to me whenever I needed it. I love and miss you so much. Life is difficult sometimes, but my life is easier because of you. Hugs, and my name, Hope. So, please make an e-card similar to this, with, again, your person's name, the occasion, thank you or Happy New Year's, a one-liner, and a short message. Remember capitalization and good punctuation. The salutation always uses a big letter. So does dear and names. Okay, I'm excited to see what cards you make. Now, after you are finished making your e-card, you need to save your e-card. Very important. Now, there are different ways to save your card. All methods are okay. Here are some methods. Here are some ways to save your card. Number 1, save your card as a PPT. Only your 2 slides. 2, you can save your card as a JPEG or picture. 3, use the snipping tool on your computer to take a picture of each slide. And there are other methods too. So remember, all methods are okay. You can save it how you want. It doesn't matter. And then finally, most important, send your e-card. Wow, yay! You made a beautiful card in English. Send your card to your special someone. Finally, post your occasion card on Band, just the first slide. You don't post your short message. That's a little personal. So post your occasion card on Band. We will love to see your art and ideas. Okay, class, thank you so much. If you have questions, let us know. I'll see you on Band. Thank you. Bye. Bye.